Get ready to have your taste buds dance with joy. It's time to talk crab cakes. Imagine biting into a crispy golden brown crab cake. The outside is perfectly crunchy while the inside is tender and bursting with fresh, sweet crab meat. Each bite is like a mini vacation to the seaside. Now picture the flavors. A hint of lemon, a sprinkle of Old Bay seasoning, and a touch of creamy tartar sauce. Yum! These ingredients work together to create a symphony of taste that's simply irresistible. Crab cakes aren't just tasty, they're versatile too. Whether you're at a fancy dinner, a casual picnic, or just snacking at home, crab cakes fit right in. They're easy to make, even easier to eat, and guaranteed to impress your friends and family. So next time you're craving a snack, skip the chips and dip, and reach for a crab cake. Your taste buds will thank you. Trust me, once you start, you won't be able to stop. Crab cakes, the snack that's always in season. Bon appetit!